At 4 a.m., Anthropic accidentally open-sourced Claude, not a demo, not an API. 500,000 lines of production code live on the internet. Anthropic, the company that positions itself as safety first and closed source, shipped a 57 megabyte source map file inside an NPM package. And a source map is not harmless. Under the ECMA 426 standard, the source's content field can embed the entire readable codebase directly. The map file even pointed to a zip archive in an R2 bucket, as seen in the Donut Shinobu fork. One oversight left the entire ASRC directory retrievable. Within hours, the code was cloned, forked, replicated. Projects like Claude Code appeared almost instantly. This turned Claude's internal logic into reusable infrastructure. DMCA notices came later. By then it did not matter. The code was already widely mirrored. In the digital world, once the secret is out, there is no putting it back in the box. This was not an advanced attack, no zero-day, no nation-state, just a build pipeline failure. Source maps were not stripped, the package was published. That is it, a fundamental oversight in the release cycle. We saw warnings. A GitHub issue regarding Bun.js serving source maps was opened weeks prior. The signs were there. Now here's where it gets interesting. Claude is not some mysterious intelligence layer, it is a system. A multi-step orchestration pipeline. I call it a dynamic prompt sandwich. What looks like magic is actually an 11-step orchestration from input to output. The magic is not magic. It is prompt engineering, tool orchestration, and a lot of hard-coded instructions. The leak reveals how much of the model's behavior is dictated by explicit, hard-coded strings rather than learned inference. Anthropic embedded massive guardrails directly in code. There's a sheer elegance in this simplicity. Hard-coded guardrails are the key to safe AI behavior. These guardrails are surprisingly explicit, consisting of massive string literals telling Claude exactly what it can and cannot say. And then something more interesting. They added anti-distillation poison pills, fake tools, fake capabilities. These are designed to mislead anyone trying to copy the system. If you train on Claude's output, these poison pills degrade your model's quality. This is not defense. This is offensive AI IP protection. It is a tactical move to protect their market moat. The most valuable part of the entire system, not the model, the tooling layer, reliable execution and tool orchestration. That is the real moat. Take the bash tool, over 1,000 lines of code just to ensure reliable command execution. This is where the engineering depth lies. And here's the irony. Claude Code uses Axios, the same library that was compromised just days ago by North Korean actors. So while protecting their model with poison pills, they were exposed through their own supply chain, a classic engineering blind spot. We also found undercover mode, instructions to avoid self-mention in commits, making AI-generated code indistinguishable from human work. This is intended to bypass scrutiny in open source projects. It reveals a roadmap where AI agents operate without leaving a footprint. The leak reveals Choose, an autonomous agent for background journaling and memory consolidation. Long-term context management is the next frontier. This incident proves something important. The risk is not the model, it is everything around it. The ecosystem is the attack surface. Your entire IP is one misconfigured build away from being public. In the velocity trap, speed often comes at the cost of oversight. This is exactly why we built Cerberus, to detect risk before it becomes a breach, because in today's world, exploitability matters more than vulnerability. We focus on outcome-driven security automation. We ensure the AI system does not decide the rules, it operates within them. Anthropic did not just leak code. They revealed where the real AI battle is being fought. I'm Ram, and this is Cerberus.ai.